You've seen it on your trading app. You've heard the name, the GER30 or the DAX. But did you know that most people trading it are actually calling it by the wrong name? And even crazier, this index has a secret superpower that makes it totally different from the US S&P 500. If you don't understand this one secret, you are reading the charts completely wrong. Let's fix that right now. First, let's keep it simple. The DAX is basically the heartbeat of the German economy. Just like the USA has the Dow Jones, Germany has the DAX. It tracks the biggest, strongest, and most famous companies in Germany. We are talking about giants you know and use every day, like Adidas, BMW, Siemens, and SAP. When you trade the GER30, you aren't buying one company. You are betting on the performance of the entire German industry at once. Now, here's the part that confuses beginners. You asked about the DAX30 or GER30, but officially, that doesn't exist anymore. In September 2021, the rules changed. They added 10 more massive companies to the list, so it is now actually the DAX40. But why do brokers still call it GER30? Habit. But here's the real reason you need to keep watching. There is a hidden calculation in the DAX that makes it look like it's growing faster than other markets. This is the competitive advantage I promised you. Most stock indexes, like the S&P 500 in America, are price indexes. If a company pays a dividend, cash to shareholders, the stock price drops and the index goes down a little. But the DAX, it is a total return index. This means when companies pay dividends, the DAX assumes that money is immediately reinvested back into the index. It doesn't drop. It absorbs that cash and keeps climbing. This makes the DAX look like a super performer compared to other countries. If you didn't know this, you might think the German economy is growing faster than it really is, but it's just the math of reinvested dividends. So the DAX is the top 40 German companies, it includes reinvested dividends, and it's the best way to trade the European market. I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe for more simply explained and high-quality videos. Also, leave a comment to boost my motivation. Lately, it has been hard to keep going without feedback. Love you guys. See you in the next video.